guys, welcome back. So you may notice that this is the same makeup and hair from another video. I filmed this video before this Rebdolls haul, and unfortunately it just didn't work out. I didn't like how everything turned out, so I feel like I look cute. So I was like, you know what, we'll do the redo tonight. Okay, so that's why I'm in the same hair and makeup from another video. Anyway, so let's get into this Rebdolls haul. So I got 3 outfits and a trench coat from Rebdolls. I'm actually wearing a top. I'm not wearing the bottoms, but I'll insert what this outfit looks like so you guys can see. I actually tried it on because a lot of you guys have been like, oh, you don't actually try on the clothes, you just show them. So I tried them on in this video, try on police. Anyway, and also guys, I don't title the videos try on videos unless I'm actually trying it on, just so you know. So this video is a try on haul. I will be wearing everything that I ordered. I ordered a trench coat, a plaid trench coat, which I'll insert over here. And I'm literally obsessed with it. It's a little big. I probably should have ordered it a size down just because I feel like it's big in the hips and waist area. The belt is a little long, so next time I don't think I'm gonna return it because I love the coat so much, and it's an oversized like trench coat, so I feel like it doesn't have to be like super tight, you know, so it's fine. But next time I would definitely order a 1X. I am a 1X in Rebdolls clothing. Sometimes I order a 2X, but it's hard because you're ordering online, so I don't like to eyeball things. Most of the time I fit their 1Xs. I've ordered 2Xs in the past and they've been too big, and I ordered this coat in a 2X and it was too big. I don't know what I was thinking, but I was thinking like, oh, it's a coat, maybe I need to order it a size bigger, but I probably should have just gotten it in a 1X. So yeah, other than that, the coat is amazing. It's beautiful. It's very true to size, so if you're a 2X, order it in a 2X, you know. I should have ordered in a 1, pretty much, but other than that, it's a beautiful coat. I absolutely love it. The next outfit is this outfit. This is a 2-piece outfit. It comes with high-waisted pants. The material is like I don't even know what this material is called. I'll look it up. I'll just put it underneath the video, but I love this shirt. It comes with the high-waisted pants, and then the shirt is like a wrap around. It goes over your head, but it ties, so it has like the wrap around your hips, waist area, and then it has like high-waisted pants to wear with it. It's a super cute, casual, chic outfit if you're going on like a dinner date or you're going out somewhere. Obviously it's winter, so it's a little cold for something this cute, in my opinion. I would probably wear it closer to spring or early fall, but if you brave, or if it's warm wherever you live, you could totally get away with it. For me in Jersey, it's a little cold, but it's a beautiful outfit, and I was like, I'll order it and I'll just wear it like in the summer or closer to the summertime, you know, something like that. So everything in this outfit, I ordered this entire outfit in a 1X and it fits beautifully. I'm giving myself till summer to lose the extra 10 pounds because I got a little mom pouch, even though I'm not a mom. So it's very noticeable in this outfit. And even with Spanx on, so I was like, probably should lose about 10 pounds before I go out in this, but that's just me personally. You guys are probably gonna think it's fine. But I would love to lose a little bit of weight before I wear it out. So this might sit in the closet for a little bit, but it's absolutely gorgeous, so I'm definitely gonna wear it somewhere. So the next outfit are these sweatpants. I love them. First of all, they're so comfy. They're high-waisted sweatpants. They come with a fitted black cottony shirt, and the thumbs like can slide into the shirt. There's like a little hole for the thumbs. It's kind of cute. I love the way that it's set up. It's a very, very cute outfit. So I tuck the shirt in the pants, and I would wear it with like booties, or you can wear it with sneakers or Timbs, like whatever you want. It's a very casual, chill outfit, but you can also dress it up. This is why I love black outfits. So the theme of this video is black, because everything I'm wearing is black in this video. So I love black outfits. I just feel like you can wear anything with black. Black looks good on everybody, in my opinion. So if you're trying to hide a little extra something, black is definitely the color that I would go with for me. So I love a good black outfit personally. So yeah, so that's why I ordered all these black outfits. I don't know, I was just on this black kick. So the sweatpants and the top are both 1X. No, the top is a 2X, the pants are a 1X, and the pants are a little loose in the hip belly area because I don't really have big hips. I'm a very top heavy type of girl. Like I'm literally just all boobs, and that's it. I got a little bit of a gut now, but outside of a belly, my legs and stuff have always been small. I've always just been a small person down the bottom. When I gain weight, it's always upper body area. So I always tend to order things a size bigger up top. Plus I have, you know, I got some girls up here. So a 2X in shirts is usually the route that I go, and I usually do an extra large or sometimes even a large in pants. If they're sweatpants, I can get away with a large or extra large. So that's really kind of how my sizing goes. What's the next outfit? The next outfit is a dress. I love this dress. First of all, it's fitted up top. It's absolutely gorgeous. It has like, it's very chic. You can wear like a belt with it. I did do like a Gucci belt just to show you guys what it would look like with a belt. And then you can also just wear it without a belt. I love it for the winter with a pair of boots, like thigh-high or knee-high boots would look so good with this dress. I did throw some on. It isn't a maxi dress, but it does like go down really, really long above the ankle. So it looks really good with like some boots. It's really cute. I feel like in the summer or spring you could totally get away with it, but you would definitely want to figure out what shoes to wear. I feel like it might look cute with like a pair of pumps or something, or some strappy heels, but personally I love it with boots. I feel like it's a great fall winter dress, especially if you want to like just go out for dinner with somebody, or you're going out with your girlfriends or something. It's just a cute dress to wear, and you can dress it up. You might even be able to throw on some little sneakers with it. I don't know, some like little white bobos or something. I don't know. Who knows? People are wearing anything these days, so whatever your heart desires, I feel like you could get away with this dress. It's super cute, and it looks really good under my trench coat. So that's really it. I love everything that I got. Rebdolls is always gonna be my tried and true because I know that I can rely on this brand. They cater to every size, and they're really great with their customer service. So if something doesn't fit, or if you feel like you just don't like it or it doesn't work out, you can always send it back and exchange it and stuff like that. So I just feel like they're really good with like communicating with you. So if you are interested, I will leave a link down below. I feel like I do these videos every 6 months and you guys love them, so I will continue to put them out if it's what you want to see. I love this brand. It's an amazing plus size brand, but they also cater to smaller sizes, and that's what I love about them. And their clothes are well made. They don't fall apart. I don't have to worry about, because you know, some of these brands you got to be careful, but this brand is a reputable brand. They're reliable, and I absolutely love them. And I'm not just saying that. You guys know, if you follow me on Instagram, which you should be, I literally post everything I wear from them. I even posted something on my Instagram story. I think you guys might have seen it. A lot of you guys commented and said it was really cute. So yeah, I mean, guys, you can't beat it, and they're affordable. That's the most important thing, is that their prices aren't crazy. It's like cute, affordable clothing that fits really nicely and caters to every size. And with me being kind of oddly shaped in a sense, I feel like they really are flattering on me. So can't beat that, right? All right guys, so I hope this video was helpful. I hope you guys like the outfits. If there's anything you want to know, just leave me a comment down below. I'll try my best to get back to you and answer. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next try on haul. Bye.